Fantastic job. Like the machine itself, you would not pick where they'd cut it. It just looks like a bought brand new Macdon front. It's that neatly done, and it runs beautifully. The knife, everything just spot on, nothing misses a beat. Really happy with it. The problems we were finding running with the Macdon 40 footer here, we're finding we weren't able to sit on the tramlines properly. We have a lot of clients who are tramline farming here, and we found when crops lean out to the left or to the right a bit, with the old Macdon front, we weren't able to get them all in completely, and we're leaving windrows down the side, not actually cut crop. So that was our biggest concern with the machine. So Nigel Newbiggen, my brother and I are farmers here in the Central West, New South Wales. We run a contracting business, growing canola, and been in the game now for about 5 or 6 years. My brother and I found that this year we had a lot of clients that really wanted us to be badly on their tramlines, so we went looking for something to cut and extend out our comb to get us out to the 42 feet, which we're really after. And anyway, I jumped on Google and I started Googling it up and come across John's site, and I've listened to one of his videos, and really sparked me to give him a call and track the number down and rang him up and spoke to him, and he was more than obliged to help us out with it. So we had it extended. It's now 42 foot, and the advantages of that now is incredible. Our productivity has increased, like our cutting speeds have gone up now that we're not having to slow down and try and get every little bit in. The comb's that little bit wider, sitting out the side. Our customers we cut for are really happy with it. We spoke to a few of them after harvesting the crops and are over the moon with the ability to really sit on their tramlines in these big bulky crops we're finding these days we've got to cut. So yeah, after having the comb cut and extended, like I say, my brother and I were over the moon with it, extremely happy. Would recommend anyone in the same situation as what we are finding to contact John by all means. And fantastic job. Like the machine itself, you would not pick where they'd cut it. It just looks like a bought brand new Macdon front. It's that neatly done, and it runs beautifully. The knife, everything just spot on, nothing misses a beat. Really happy with it.